Hi, welcome to my space. I'm D Love. My channel is D Love. I'm going to do a 3-card read this morning. And I'm going to do it runic style, meaning I'm going to start at the right and move to the left. I really had a strong feeling this morning to go back to some real rootedness, and I pulled out my runes and did a rune reading, and I did some writing on it, so I'm going to do a post. I already did a post, but in a private kind of nook. A Discord. Actually, it's not even private. I can link it. It's linked to another person's channel, so I can link it. It's no longer. It was private at one point, and now it's been open. So, anyway. That'll be easier, in fact. I'm going to do a 3-card read. And I'll have a link to this if you'd like to read more about it. So, be some pages from a book I made some notes in. And some of my own musings. Okay, so we're just going to generally see what's up at this point. There we go. Ah, oh, beautiful. It's the 6 of Swords, or Snow, as it's called in this deck. 6 of Thoughts. 6 of our 6 of our thought process. And it's when to fly. That instinctual feeling of just taking off. It's a real trust in yourself. So we'll go from there. And that is corresponding to this rune, which is Thurisaz, or Thor. It literally means to like stand before an opening, a cave. That moment before you step into the cave. It also is a rune of Thursday, of course. It's linked to that. The runes have time associated to them very heavily, seasons and dates. Our middle card, the Heart of the Matter, is the Ace of Clouds, or Cups, overflowing. We're overflowing with our emotions at this time. And it's from joy. These are corresponding so beautifully. It's from joy and all the implications of joy. And let's see, to finish this off is the 9 of Waves, the 9 of Fire, the 9 of Wands, the 9... I mean, imagine surfing out here. Imagine that. All the things that could happen and do. In some decks, this is known as the Wounded Warrior. So really, all this overflowing, all of this, this is the Rune of Fire, by the way, and beautifully tied together. So I'm just going to say, hail the Great Mother and the Great Father. And then we have the Tower,